Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to change the default fonts in Google Chrome, and I'll keep it simple and quick. Before we start, know that many websites use their own fonts, so your settings won't always change how a site looks. Chrome will use your choices when a site doesn't specify a font, or if the site's font isn't available on your device. First, open Chrome and go to the menu in the top right corner, the three vertical dots. Click that, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. It's the same place you go for most browser options, so you should find it easily. Once you're in Settings, look at the left side and click Appearance. That area contains visual options for Chrome, including themes and font controls. On the right side of the Appearance page, you'll see Customize Fonts. Click that to open the font settings. In the Customize Font screen, you'll find four main font options. There's the standard font, which is the default for most text on web pages. There's the serif font, which has small decorative lines on letters like Times New Roman. There's the sans serif font, which is cleaner and simpler, like Arial or Helvetica. There's the fixed width font, also called monospace, used for code and places where every character needs the same width. Finally, there's a mathematical font for math symbols and equations like stuff. Use the drop-down menus to pick the font you prefer for each of those styles. Take a moment to try different fonts. If a certain font makes text easier to read, that's usually the best choice for everyday browsing. At the top of the tab, you can customize the size of fonts. Here, you can also set the minimum size of the font. You can also change the overall font size from the Appearance section, just below or near the Customize Fonts link. Adjusting the size will make text on most pages larger or smaller, which is handy if you want everything easier to read without changing the font itself. One more time, remember that sites with their own design will often override these settings, but Chrome will apply your choices whenever a site doesn't force a specific font. So, after you make changes, browse a few pages to see where the new fonts take effect. That's it, you're done. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.